What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video out here from Six Flags over Texas. Behind me is Tormenta Rampaging Run, and today we're doing a little bit of a mini construction update here at the park. We are starting out in the parking lot, so let's head out there. And as we walk up to the base of the Immelman, as you guys can see, we have a pretty major update. Asphalt work has begun for the parts of the asphalt that did get taken up from the construction of Tormenta. As you guys know, there was a huge parking lot for preferred parking under the ride that obviously is not there now. They got torn up. They have poured the asphalt overnight today and through this morning, so it looks great. Brand new asphalt. It actually goes all the way around the perimeter of the fence, so let's go take a look. It is not yet completed, and I'm not sure if they're actually going to complete that. I would love if they just kind of turn that into a nice grassy area to keep the pathway separated from the road, because I know they have one or two lanes blocked off because of the fence line. Something that we did just see is if you look up at the top of the first drop, they're doing some lighting package testing. It is going alternating from red, blue, and green, it looks like. Testing some of the lighting colors and what works best with the ride. We will see that a lot better later tonight, but it looks incredible. This vlog is being filmed on Saturday the 13th in the evening, and I got word that employee training for most ride operators begins tomorrow, the 14th. They are doing some overnight cycles. But yeah, as you guys can see, they have wrapped the asphalt all the way around the fence perimeter and connected it back up to the road that was here prior. I would imagine that with all of this open space here, this would turn back into a parking lot, most likely the preferred lot, with this lot turning back into a general parking lot. Here's a little bit more of what the lights look like. As you can see, the first drop and the loop is pretty much fully illuminated. As we walk over to Spain, I'm not sure how much y'all are going to be able to see right now. I may have to cut to some footage I took. One thing I do want to point out, I know this has been in a couple of update vlogs now, but they have placed some brand new gray lockers over here. Doesn't look like they are being used too much, but the last dive coaster that Six Flags built was Wrath of Rakshasa over at Six Flags Great America, and that uses a very different loose article bin policy where it kind of goes where you put your loose articles in a bin and it flies over the station and over to the exit platform, sort of like a dry cleaner. But after looking at how Tormenta Station is set up, it does not look like it will feature that system. So I'm a little worried that these lockers were placed here to act as Tormenta's paid lockers and that there will be a zero loose article policy, which I really hope is not the case. I would love to see some double-sided lockers, very similar to how Cliffhanger does it down at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, but we'll just have to wait and see. And of course, we've got one more cycle. It is so quiet up there. One thing that I've noticed about this dive coaster is it hangs down a lot less than most of the other dive coasters, which leaves the back. Yeah, seeing this thing cycle is seriously incredible. My phone did die while I was filming that cycle. And there goes another one. Hits the mid-course and they send it. Let's hope the operations are like that when it opens to the public.
Also, I gotta say, even though there's not 3 on the track, there is 3 trains in total.
Yes, there are 3 trains that they have.
That is consistent.
That is insane. I am hoping that once the ride does open, they will have that 3rd train commissioned for better capacity. So as soon as a train leaves the station, another one can be going right in. So, but anyways, with us being the last 3 guests in the park, we are the last 3 cars in the parking lot. So to be fair, we are here 2 hours after park close for extended ride time, but that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. More update videos here at Tormenta will be coming soon with opening in the coming weeks. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.